The lions coming better till the viper scoop. And I do it for the lambs, so the fans when they stand and pick at your hands. In the stands run their brands, plus it's the anthem. The son of man's coming man, never paid the ransom and abandon us. The champion is unanimous. I ain't got the stamina, couldn't handle it. God's plan with an animal of a man, and you can't handle a man, no chance of it. Had no faith, I was panicking. Calamity fake like mannequin, brain manic, can't manage it always so painful. No play, just damaging.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Got the Cheerson CX20 out here with a servo VHB taped up there that I can actuate from that channel on the remote. And then hold that guy up. We're gonna drop this parachuting army guy with the Hawkeye Firefly strapped to him and hopefully get some cool video. It's a little bit windy today, but we'll see if we can pull this off. Alright guys, so as you can see, the left hand bottom corner of the screen is the GoPro view from underneath the quadcopter of the release mechanism, which is basically a servo. The right hand side of the bottom screen there is the FPV camera, or the Hawkeye Firefly cam that's taped to the army guy. And then the main video in the background is just my phone filming the overall scene, I guess. So you can tell by the look on the army guy's face that he's pretty happy. He's going to be wildly exceeding the normal life of a plastic army guy by being airdropped at about 100 feet. And now you can see he's caught in a tree, so his face is kind of changing the expression. You know, like, I can just tell that we're thinking the same thing, like this is kind of a crap idea, let's bring the quad back in and regroup, figure out how to get me out of this tree. Yeah, so I'm trying to fly up kind of close there so you guys can see where it is stuck. It's about 40-45 feet off the ground, and just look for a green, bright green. There it is, coming to the top of the screen. Yeah, he's stuck in a big way. Got to get him down so he can go brag to the other army guys, you know, about what he's done. Yep, there he is, dangling. So I'm more concerned, it took us about 20 minutes to finally find this thing up in the tree, of looking from the ground for quite a while, and I want to get my Hawkeye camera down, at least. So here's me with a throw line. I just got a big brass nut on the end of a rope here, or a string rather, and you can see in the top left, you can see the throw line just missed the army guy, so, you know, got it within reason. And it took me, I think, 3 attempts to actually be able to kind of wrap my throw line around the parachute and sever the cords, so the parachute stayed in the tree at the end, and just the army guy with the camera himself fell down to the ground, which is really all I was worried about. I got the Cheerson in GPS hold mode right now. It's kind of windy, so it's, you know, struggling a little bit, and I did not have my gimbal at this time, which now I have a gimbal, so these kind of videos will be a lot better from here on out as far as smoothness goes. That stupid leaf caught on the leg. And then my balance lead kind of dangling in the picture as well. So right here, yeah, there's the rope again. I get it hung up in the parachute lines and just jiggle it around like crazy, and it ends up severing the lines. The parachute lines, and then it falls to the ground, where I collect my camera and the army guy. Make sure to stay tuned for part 2, guys, where we have an actual successful series of airdrops. It's pretty fun, so look for that.